Welcome. Today we're covering automate your email in minutes. AI Smart Assistant Setup. Your inbox is eating your business alive, and you don't even realize it. Every day, you or someone on your team spends 2 to 4 hours reading, sorting, and replying to customer emails, appointment requests, pricing inquiries, order updates, complaint follow-ups. It's repetitive, it's exhausting, and it's costing you real money. What if I told you that in under 15 minutes, you could set up an AI-powered email assistant that reads incoming messages, understands what the customer wants, drafts a personalized response, and even triggers actions, like booking a meeting or updating a CRM, automatically? That's exactly what we're building in today's video. In this step-by-step walkthrough, I'll show you how entrepreneurs and business owners across Southeast Asia are using accessible AI tools to transform their inboxes from a time-sucking black hole into a streamlined, intelligent system that works 24/7, even while you sleep. Here's what we cover. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.